Scene script. Ever pondered the magic that unfolds when honey meets lemon? Two simple, natural ingredients, both brimming with numerous health benefits. When combined, they create a power-packed, skin-loving concoction. The process starts with the selection of the right ingredients. Choose raw, organic honey and fresh lemons for maximum benefits. Raw honey, unprocessed and unpasteurized, retains all its antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Fresh lemons, on the other hand, are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which aid in brightening and clarifying the skin. To begin, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey, stir the mixture well until it forms a smooth consistency. The sweet, thick honey perfectly balances the tart, acidic lemon juice. The result? A golden elixir that promises to do wonders for your skin. Now the question arises, why mix honey and lemon? The answer lies in the powerful benefits of this natural duo. Lemon, a citrus fruit, contains a high amount of vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant aids in combating skin damage caused by the sun and pollution, reduces wrinkles, and improves overall skin texture. It also has a mild bleaching effect that can help even out skin tone. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant. It draws moisture from the air into the skin and ensures it's retained in the layers where it's needed most for penetrating, long-lasting hydration. Plus, its antioxidant properties help repair daily damage and protect against environmental stressors. When applied to the skin, the honey-lemon blend acts as a natural cleanser, removing dirt and impurities without stripping the skin of its natural oils. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed, revitalized, and radiant. But the benefits aren't just skin deep. This combination also works wonders for the hair and scalp. It can help reduce dandruff, promote hair growth, and add a vibrant shine to your locks. In conclusion, the fusion of honey and lemon is more than just a sweet and sour blend. It's a holistic treatment that nourishes, hydrates, and brightens your skin. So the next time you're seeking a simple natural solution for skincare, remember the magic that happens when honey meets lemon.